Now, I'm going to teach you the second method in solving simultaneous equations, which is method of substitutions. Let's start by an example. To solve a simultaneous equation by the method of substitutions, first, we need to change either x or y as subject terms from one of the equations. And here, from the equation 1, y already the subject terms, so we can simply substitute this equation into 2 to solve the value of x, like this. I will substitute 1 into 2, and then x minus 3 times y which is 7 minus 2x is equals to 0, and then I remove the bracket. 7x will become 21 and x will become 3. Next, I need to find the value of y. Of course, I will substitute this x equals 3 into equation 1. Because y is already the subject term, it's easy to find the value of y in this way. And then we'll have the value of y as 1. Of course, finally, we need to write down the overall solution. Okay, let me show you one more example. This example is different from the first example because a and b are not the subject terms in both these two equations. So we need to change either a or b as the subject terms from these two equations. And from the equation 2, it's easy to make b as the subject term. Let me show it to you. I will write it from 2. I copy it once again. 3a minus b equals minus 2. And as I told you before, I want to make b as the subject term, so the coefficient of b must be positive 1. So it's better to move this minus b to the right side, so that b will become positive 1. And then the next step is I need to move the minus 2 to the left side. 3a plus 2 equals b. And I rewrite it as b equals 3a plus 2. Now b is the subject term. I call this one as equation 3. And then the next step is quite similar to example 1. I need to substitute equation 3 into 1 to find the value of a, like this. 5a plus 2 times b is 3a plus 2 equals 4. I expand the bracket. And 11a equals 0, a is 0. Next, I need to find the value of b. As I told you before, it's better to substitute this value into equation 3. So I will do it in this way. Substitute a equals 0 into 3. So b will be equal to 3 times 0 plus 2, which is true. Again, I need to write down the overall solution. I will show you some more advanced examples in the next video.